The Larson Electronics IND-CD-48-2L-UVC-50C is an industrial UV sanitation cart which can disinfect coronavirus and bacteria in large facilities. This unit offers UVC output in a range of 200 nanometers to 280 nanometers and comes equipped with 2 UVC fluorescent bulbs. The lights are mounted to an aluminum powder-coated cart for seamless mobility. This UV sanitation cart is a powerful sanitation solution for industrial sites and commercial facilities. This system offers 39.6 watts of output. The lights have an expected lifespan of over 8,000 hours and they emit a flood beam pattern. This UV system caters to 400 square feet of space with 180 degrees of coverage. Operators may move the cart around after exposure time to disinfect several locations. With a recommended 20 to 25 minute exposure time for viruses, multiple carts can be purchased to cover larger areas more quickly. This UV light can disinfect over 99% of bacteria, viruses, coronavirus, mold, and spores. The cart allows the entire fixture to be easily wheeled into position as needed and can be laid flat for sliding the cart under vehicles or into hard-to-reach areas. Also included is a fold-down handle and unidirectional caster wheels that allow operators to lay the unit flat and wheel it into hard-to-reach areas. This unit is equipped with 50 feet of 16-3 chemical and abrasion-resistant SOOW cord that is fitted with an industrial-grade cord cap for easy connection to common wall outlets. Plug options include the following: Here are some general guidelines for safe operation of UV sanitation lights. Never look directly at the light when it is activated. Use protective eye and face gear. Cover the hands, arms, neck, legs, and other exposed body parts. Avoid touching a disinfection lamp that is on. Set up signs, markers, or cones around the area to warn others of ongoing sanitation. Do not handle a broken or cracked UV lamp with bare hands. During large-scale operation, people should not be present inside the room. Block off access to the general area by setting up signs. Close and cover all windows to contain stray UVC light beams. Do not stand in front of the lamps when turning on the UV disinfection cart. After sanitation, power down the UV light before entering the room or handling the cart. Additionally, we recommend using respiratory masks when performing UV sanitation in potentially contaminated areas. These vital safety accessories have two benefits. They prevent individuals from breathing in deadly viruses and toxic chemicals, and they help reduce direct contact when touching the face and mouth. Light maintenance and care. Periodically check the UV lamp before and after use for damage, especially when experiencing light flicker. If the lamp becomes too hot to touch, allow it to cool before inspection. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.